Thank you, Madam Chair, Mr. Floor Leader. This is a resolution commending the Iloilo Information Communication Technology Management Office, or ICTMO, for winning the Digital Governance Awards 2022 Business Empowerment Provincial Level category conferred by the Department of Information and Communications Technology. Whereas, the province of Iloilo received another outstanding distinction as it was hailed champion during the Digital Governance Awards 2022 Business Empowerment awarded by the DICT, which was received by the ICTMO Chief Salvacion Sibonga during the awarding ceremony on March 30, 2023 at the National Museum of Natural History, Metro Manila. Whereas the province's entry, developed by the ICTMO, is the Provincial Government Environment and Natural Resources Office Permit Tracking System, which is a document management, tracking, and archiving system that allows users to upload, track, search, and retrieve their application for quarry permits. Whereas, the system facilitated a faster and efficient evaluation and approval of quarry permits, which greatly reduced the processing time of 3 months previously to 5 to 11 days only because of this permit tracking system. Whereas, the PGNRO-PTS was deployed for use by the PGNRO on August 26, 2020, where the processors in charge have been trained to handle the system, which covers the efficient processing and tracking of application and renewal of small-scale mining permit on the following categories: for quarry permit, ordinary earth, limestone, basalt; for company or corporation, for commercial sand and gravel permit; and for industrial sand and gravel permit. Whereas the PGNRO-PTS was designed for cloud computing technology ready for future online transactions capable of storage and retrieval of documents needed in the application and renewal of permits, which spares the clients from submitting voluminous documents repeatedly. Whereas, the said permit tracking system provides a graphical presentation and summary for completed permit transactions as guide for management analysis and decision-making, which is also consistent with the province's initiative to ensure transparency and integrity in conformity with the Ease of Doing Business Act. Whereas, in addition to this permit tracking system award, the provincial government has already received 2 other digital governance awards under the leadership of Governor Arthur Defensor Jr., namely the Iloilo Reverse Isolation and Contact Tracing Application as Best in COVID-19 Pandemic Response Award in 2020, and the Provincial Civil Defense Referral System, which enhanced the province's district hospitals referral system in 2021. Whereas, this august body commends the initiatives, projects, and efforts of the Iloilo Provincial Government in digital governance, which brings pride to the province and people of Iloilo. Now therefore, on motion of this representation, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to pass a resolution commending the Iloilo Information Communication Technology Management Office for winning the Digital Governance Awards 2022 Business Empowerment Provincial Level category conferred by the Department of Information and Communications Technology.
I so move, Your Honor, for the passing of the resolution of commendation.
So moved, and second the motion, seconded by unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Floor Leader.